Hello, welcome to the ZINFI Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. Please click on the subscribe button for informative videos on various aspects of partner ecosystem management. In today's session, we'll dive into an essential aspect of modern marketing, content marketing. Specifically, we'll explore how you can leverage powerful tools like Microsoft Copilot and HubSpot to elevate your content strategy and generate high-quality leads. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Setting up your website for SEO and Content Management. 2. Writing SEO-Friendly Articles with Microsoft Copilot. 3. Leveraging outbound email marketing for lead generation. This video will walk you through actionable steps to enhance your content marketing efforts and ensure you reach the right audience with the right message. Let's get started. Setting up your website for SEO and Content Management. The foundation of any successful content marketing strategy starts with a well-optimized website. Your website isn't just a digital brochure, it's the hub of your content ecosystem. It's where your prospects will land after interacting with your marketing efforts, so it needs to be fast, secure, and user-friendly. HubSpot CMS is one of the best tools for managing your website's content. It's more than just a content management system. It's an integrated platform that connects seamlessly with HubSpot CRM and Marketing Hub. This integration allows you to manage everything from blog posts to landing pages in one centralized place, ensuring all your content aligns with your broader marketing goals. Let's break down the key benefits of using HubSpot CMS. Ease of use. You don't need to be a coding expert to build a stunning website. HubSpot's drag-and-drop builder makes it easy to create and customize pages. SEO optimization. HubSpot CMS has built-in SEO tools that guide you through optimizing your content for search engines, helping you rank higher and attract more organic traffic. Personalization. Tailor your content to different audience segments based on their behavior, location, or location in the buyer's journey. By setting up your website on HubSpot CMS, you're not just creating a static online presence, but building a dynamic platform that can grow and evolve with your business. The CMS allows you to continually optimize and refine your site's performance, ensuring that it always meets the needs of your visitors and search engines alike. Writing SEO-friendly articles with Microsoft Copilot. Now that your website is optimized and ready to go, it's time to fill it with content that resonates with your audience. Content is the fuel that drives your marketing engine, and writing high-quality, SEO-friendly articles is crucial for attracting and engaging your target market. However, creating this content can be daunting, especially if you're unsure where to start. This is where Microsoft Copilot comes in. Microsoft Copilot is an advanced AI tool that can assist you in crafting compelling content quickly and efficiently. It's like having a co-pilot by your side, offering suggestions, completing sentences, and even helping with the structure of your articles. Here's how you can use Microsoft Copilot to enhance your content creation process. 1. Start with a clear topic. Choose a topic relevant to your audience and aligned with your product or service offerings. This ensures that your content will be exciting and valuable to your readers. 2. Speak your ideas. Speak your main ideas into a voice recorder or text editor. Aim for about 600 to 700 spoken words, which will be expanded into a complete article. Speaking your ideas can help you get your thoughts out faster and more naturally. 3. Expand with Microsoft Copilot. Use Microsoft Copilot to expand your spoken content into a 1,000-word article. Copilot will help you add more detail, include relevant examples, and ensure that your content is optimized for SEO. It's important to remember that while Microsoft Copilot is a powerful tool, the actual value of your content lies in your expertise. Use Copilot to streamline the writing process, but ensure your articles reflect your unique insights and knowledge. This is what will truly set your content apart from the competition. Leveraging outbound email marketing for lead generation. Content marketing isn't just about inbound strategies. Outbound email marketing remains a powerful way to reach new prospects directly and introduce them to your content. When done right, outbound emails can drive significant traffic to your website and convert leads into customers. The key to successful outbound email marketing is personalization and relevance. With tools like HubSpot, you can easily integrate platforms like Apollo.io or ZoomInfo to build targeted email lists. This allows you to send personalized content to specific segments of your audience, increasing the chances of engagement. Here's how to make the most out of your outbound email campaigns. Identify your target audience. Use tools to build a list of contacts that match your ideal customer profile. Filter by industry, job title, company size, and other relevant criteria. Craft compelling content. Your emails should offer value. Instead of pushing for a sale, provide educational content addressing common industry challenges. This could be blog posts, ebooks, webinars, or case studies. Automate and personalize. HubSpot allows you to create automated email sequences that feel personal. You can set up triggers and workflows that ensure each prospect receives the right content at the right time. Remember, the goal of outbound email marketing is to build relationships, not just to sell. By providing valuable content and nurturing your leads over time, you're more likely to convert them into loyal customers. Conclusion: outbound email marketing is a powerful strategy to generate more leads for your B2B SaaS product. To do it effectively, you must first identify your ideal customer profile and target audience, and use tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Lead IQ to find their contact information. Second, integrate HubSpot with Apollo.io or ZoomInfo so that you can import your target lists and manage your email campaigns from one platform. Third, carefully craft your email content. Provide valuable educational content that helps your prospects solve their problems and showcase your expertise. By doing so, you can build trust and rapport with your prospects and drive them to your website, where they can learn more about the product and how it can benefit them. Thank you for joining us in this ZINFI Best Practices video series. We hope you found these insights on using Microsoft Copilot and HubSpot to enhance your content marketing strategy valuable. Implement these steps and you'll be well on your way to creating content that attracts, engages, and converts. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Please click the subscribe button to stay informed on various best practices for building a high-performing partner ecosystem using programs, processes, people, and technology platforms.